6, 5. Hey everybody, it's your friend Furbs.
You can turn the light off now.
And Furbomb, who's telling me I can turn the light off. It's all dark.
Except for the screen and my candles.
Except for the screen and the candles and the neighbor's light shining through the curtain, which is really a tablecloth I hung up to dry in the window. Anyway, today...
I think it's a bed sheet.
It's not. It's a tablecloth. I know, so I hung it up. Anyway, I'm going to be doing Vivace, and I'm going to help Olivia get ready to go to sleep by doing ASMR.
I don't like ASMR.
Which she doesn't like, because it's ridiculous. Anyway, so
it's uncomfortable.
It makes her feel uncomfortable. So I won't do that anymore. I'm going to go over to the app and find out what I'm going to do in Vivace today, because yesterday I finished everything there was to do.
In the trainer?
Everything. I did all the lessons in every clef that they offer, which is not all the clefs that there are, by the way, as we'll find out later in Clefs tomorrow, on tomorrow's episode of Clefs. Tomorrow's episode of General Hospital. Dr. Clef opens up his heart to music. Anyway, I did everything there is in the lessons.
And it's all 100%.
It's all 100%. So I think I did okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to... So I did everything in the trainer. And I guess what I'll do is I'm going to read some of the tutorial. Learn music theory with illustrated tutorials.
Ooh.
Okay, so yesterday let's read about the staff, I guess. I think I've read about clefs. This is known as a staff, and it is used universally to represent music through a set of symbols and notation. In its most basic form, the staff consists of 5 horizontal lines and the 4 spaces between them. Musical notes are represented by oval shapes. These shapes can be placed either centered on a line or in a space. The specific line or space where the note is placed will determine its pitch. The higher on the staff the note is placed, the higher the pitch. The lower the note, the lower the pitch.
Dad, I want to say something.
Okay, wait until I'm done reading, okay? Okay. For notes that are too high or too low to fit inside the staff, we can append additional lines called ledger lines. In order to identify all of these possible notes, we use a sequence of just 7 names. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, also known as Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf. As the sequence progresses, the pitch increases. For example, Delta is a higher note than Charlie, but a lower note than Echo. After Golf, the sequence repeats itself starting with Alpha, but an octave higher. The opposite occurs for a descending sequence of notes. Each line and space in the staff is assigned a note following the same sequence. But before we can identify any note in the staff, we need to have a reference note from which to start the sequence. This reference note is provided by a symbol known as the clef. Okay, so now we understand the staff, and we've already gone through the whole course, so this is just review. So we're going to practice. Ready? Oh, it's going. Do 100 of these. It's too loud though. Oops. That was the one goof I'm going to allow myself. Okay. C. C. Echo Delta Charlie Bravo Alpha. Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Just trying to concentrate, so I'm not paying attention to that stuff. Somebody dropped off. That's okay. They can watch the rerun. G. I haven't had a G in a while. D. F. B. B. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. Alright, so that's how it works. And I think maybe in about a week I'll just start over with Treble Clef, but I'm like deep into Treble Clef and another app that I'm using. So I'm gonna go back over here. I'm going to go to my notebook. I'm gonna say Vivace. Chicane. Vivace. Practice 100. I don't know what to call it. Score. Score, not abducted. Score, not sight. Score 99%. Okay, and we did the tutorial regarding staffs. Okay, and then we'll go to the splash screen. And we'll see who is with us. Okay, let's check the chat. Hi, chat. Oh, buddy's in the chat. And let's see the viewers. We had clear your browser history, industrial parasites, and less industrial parasite, singular, and let's do this underscore music. So thank you for being here, guys. gotta go to check out clear your browser history. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.